vis-a-vis Colonel Leonardo?
Sinasabi po nila eh.
Sino nagsasabi?
Sila po, sir. Kung nag-ipon-ipon, sir. Okay. And sa ma-observe naman sa movement, paki-encode mo to, ganon. Makikita mo, okay. So, pag pulis po, chismosa po tayo. So, nagtatanong po tayo, Mr. Chair.
Kaya ako nagtataka, Madam Garma, alam mo ang sistema, yung general structure at saka flow ng communications at saka flow ng monetary considerations, pero hindi ka kasama sa sistema. Hindi ako makapaniwala doon, Madam Garma. Now, itong si Bactat, Serbo, and Palma were already dismissed, I think, this year, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sa dami ng kaso nila.
Yes.
They were dismissed administratively because of the administrative cases filed against them. Would that be correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Now, dito sa diagram, kilala mo ba lahat yung mga tao na nandito? Dito sa ginawa mo?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Except for alias Muking?
Sir, I was really trying to recall her first name talaga. Honestly,
Pero
I
kung
cannot.
first name, in other words, you knew her last name.
Espino or Spina, I wasn't sure. Pina-research ko rin po yung kagabi, hindi ako nabigyan ng sagot po. That's why it's a public knowledge naman when you say Muking.
How did you come to know that the money came from her office going to a certain Mr. Pedro Parungo?
Sinabi po ni Pedro, sir, yung pong sinabi ko na kumakamot siya ng ulo, sabi ko, oy, bakit? Sagot niya sa akin, problema ako, ma'am, kasi marami ng pera pumapasok sa account ko, nasisita na ako. Saan galing? Galing kay instruction kunin, pinapadala ni Muking. Yun po ang sinabi niya sa akin po.
We have questioned the former Commissioner Leonardo in the previous hearings that we have had. He has always denied itong pwesto niya dito sa diagram na ginawa po ninyo. He has always denied that whenever we have asked him that question. And now, here you are stating na siya pala ang paymaster. Now, who is telling the truth between you and Colonel Leonardo?
I am telling the truth, Your Honor.
You are saying the truth na siya talaga ang paymaster.
Yes po.
Pero hindi mo alam na ang codename niya ay Eagle no tinanong ka ni Juan, ni Honorable Rods Gutierrez.
Hindi po ako, kasi codename ang ginagamit nung talagang directly involved po. Hindi po kasi ako kaya hindi ko alam na Eagle po.
Well, alam mo yung mga sistema eh. Ako nga, wala ako sa sistema. Alam ko yung codename na yan eh. Di ba?
Yes po. Honestly speaking, I didn't know po na Eagle siya. Ang codename po niya.
Alam mo, Madam Garma, sabi ni, I learned this from our chairman, si Chairman Ace Barbers. Nabasa na yung paa mo, maligo ka na. Yun ang sabi ni Chairman Barbers. Ang ibig niyang sabihin, may alam na kami, nagsabi ka na ng konti, ibuhos mo na, maligo ka na ng todo, sabihin mo na ang buong katotohanan. Kasi, as far as this representation is concerned, hindi mo pa sinasabi lahat.
Yun po sa Eagle talaga po. I cannot recall. Hindi ko po alam na siya yung Eagle. Kasi po, code ang ginagamit ng mga nasa ground, but ako I don't use Eagle. I don't know kung sinong Eagle nga po eh.